Good morning, Brevard County. I am Matthew Wallace, the Director of Public Safety for the county. And we just want to give you a quick update on where we are with Tropical Storm Isaias. As you well waking up this morning, you probably saw cloudy skies and some brief periods of rain. Throughout the day, the tropical storm will be impacting us. So here's some good news and some updates. The good news is that the storm remained at tropical storm strength overnight, and we don't expect it to strengthen anymore as it moves through our area. That means we're expecting winds in the 45 to 55 mile an hour range today, with gusts in certain areas that could potentially be higher. We did see a slight bump east overnight, which was also very advantageous to Brevard County, and that's good news for us as the storm center moves offshore. That takes all the showers, winds, and rains with it offshore. We'll have that squally weather through Brevard County all day today, so be ready for that. It's going to be a stormy, kind of windy, rainy kind of day, a typical day in South Florida. The storm slowed again, so we can expect to see the major impacts now later into the afternoon and into the evening hours, pushing into early Monday morning. So be expecting that. And the rain amounts remain constant in about that 3 to 4 inches throughout the Brevard County area. For your situational awareness too, as Brevard County residents, now is this time to transition away from the national hurricane strength and the course of the storm, and really go to your phone apps or your local favorite apps and start looking at local weather. Look at the radars and kind of determine what's in the best interest of you and your family and your loved ones. Looking at that real-time local radar. Weather bands will move in from offshore, onshore, and those local weather apps and those local weather radars will be able to show you that of what approaching weather you'll have for where you are in your local situation. With that, I'd like to turn it over with Don Walker, and we'll have a couple more updates about the storm.
Yeah, so Don Walker, Communications Director for Brevard County Emergency Management. In an abundance of caution, we did decide today to open a storm shelter, which opened at 11 a.m., and that was at the Viera Regional Community Center, which is located at 2300 Judge Fran Jamison Way. That shelter is prepared to take in folks with plenty of room for social distancing. And also, we'll be doing health screenings and temperature checks there. And if we need to, we can isolate people if they show up with COVID. And we have PPE that we can provide people that visit the shelter, or we are requesting that you bring your own, along with any bedding or comfort items, personal hygiene materials, cards, radio, headphones, things like that you can be comfortable while you're in the shelter. That shelter is open just to provide some of our residents who may feel a little uneasy or uncomfortable about the storm conditions that are anticipated today, that they can find a safe refuge from the storm. So the shelter is pet friendly, so you can bring your dog or your cat or your bird. If it's we have kennels available there, but we also request that you bring your own kennels. And then if you have any more information or any questions about the storm itself, you can call our community information hotline at 211. And Matt, we should also mention people should stay off the beaches today.
I was about to mention that, yes. So as the rain events come and the wind comes, try to limit your travel around the county today with these higher wind gusts that you may encounter on the roads. Try to stay at home if you can, stay off the roadways, and please stay off our beaches. Don, we have rip currents and we have large waves. Now's not the time to be out there. There's some dangerous conditions on the beach. So please stay at home, be safe, and make those great decisions for your family.
Yeah, your safest place today is at home.
Absolutely. Thank you for hanging with us, and please be in touch on our social media sites at Facebook and Twitter, and we'll give you the latest updates as we get through this tropical storm event. Thank you for being with us.